Today we're going to make this photo banner that can be used at a wedding, so you can change this up for other holidays as well. So the supplies you'll need are some printed pictures, some black hearts, some letter stickers, a template that you can print on the countryschiccottage.net that you will use to cut your pictures into banner shapes, as well as a craft knife and a self-healing mat. So we just printed the banner on regular copy paper and now we're cutting it out with scissors. And then we'll use that template to cut our photos. So just lay the template over the picture, line it up, make sure that it's even, and then just use your craft knife on top of a self-healing mat to trim the picture into a banner shape. You will repeat this for all of the photographs that you want on your banner. Then you will need to punch holes in the picture itself in both corners. We'll use a hole punch for that. And you can use any hole punch that you have on hand. Again, you'll want to repeat for all of your pictures. Then when your pictures are complete, you can start on the heart portion of your banner. So the hearts are just chalkboard hearts. They're made from wood. You can actually buy just regular wood hearts, punch holes in them, and then paint them black if you would like, or paint them another color. And then I'm just adding letter stickers to those to spell out Mr. and Mrs. So you could add letter stickers here, you could cut some vinyl with your Cricut machine into letter shapes, however you wanted to do it. And you can also spell whatever you would like. So we're doing this one for a wedding, so it says Mr. and Mrs. Then we just want to string those together. So you'll need some twine to do that, and we're going to alternate picture and heart. So we're going to start with the pictures and just thread the twine through the picture. So I'm using black twine here, but you could use a brown jute twine. You could use some baker's twine for a more colorful banner, just however you would like to do it. And then you just want to string a picture and then a heart and then alternate. So next would be a picture and then a heart and finish off with a picture at the end. So you could do these however you wanted to. And also the pictures themselves. Here I'm using black and white pictures because I wanted more of a neutral banner, but you could absolutely use colored pictures as well, just depending on the type of banner you wanted. So use this tutorial to make a photo banner for your wedding or other party in minutes, just with a few supplies.